Hi, my name is Marcy. I'm the owner of Regal Swim. I've been teaching swim lessons for 10 years and I used to be an ocean lifeguard. Today I want to show you one of the easiest ways to teach children how to swim with very minimal amount of time. We have these floaties or armbands. You can get the smaller ones at the chain stores, or these are home goal ones you can find on Amazon. They're called roll-ups. These are great teaching tools. Go ahead and put the roll-ups or floaties on your child. I recommend this for ages 2 and up. And you have them jump and keep jumping to you. And then you want to have them swim back to the steps or the wall so you get used to them swimming without having someone catching them. So each time he jumps to you, you want to scoot back so your child will swim a little bit further. You want your child to be able to swim about 6 feet on their own. Able to do that, you let a little bit of air out of one of the roll-ups or floaties, and then you just repeat that. So go ahead and have them swim back to the steps. It might help if you have some sort of toy as an incentive to get when they get to the steps. Want to get the toy? And once you feel like they've got this amount of air out, you can go ahead and let a little more air out. Alright, so now there's a little less air in the floaties or roll-ups, so go ahead and you can have them swim back to the steps.
Go swim. Get the toy. Get the toy.
So basically you'll just keep practicing this, and every few times take more and more air out until they eventually can learn how to swim without them. When they're 2, it takes a while to learn how to swim without them, but when they're 4 or 5, they might get it even the first day. Just keep taking more and more air. For more information or to schedule a swim lesson, please visit regalswim.com. You can also like us on Facebook.